Let's begin with products. Products are single, ready-to-sell items, like snacks, bottled drinks, or packaged goods in vending machines. Creating them correctly ensures each item is clearly tracked in the Vendon Cloud. After setup, products can be assigned directly to machines. Let's go to the demo.
To add a new product in Vendon Cloud, click Settings, then open Components, Products. In this section, go to the Products tab. Here, you will see all existing products and create new ones. Click New Item to create new product. In the Name field, type the product name, for example, Snickers. Next, if needed, enter an article number. It is an optional field. However, if you already use product codes in your warehouse system, you can use the same code here or create new one. Article number will also appear in your sales reports, which can be useful for product tracking and reporting. Next, enter the pricing details for the product. This includes the price, VAT percentage, and deposit fee if applicable. All these support accurate financial reporting. The Product Profile section is where you define default refill values. For now, we recommend leaving this unchanged, as these values will be configured later in the machine setup series. Once everything is set, click Save.